Hey fishing fanatics, Stan here. I just want to go over a couple of the features of the new Garmin that we installed here on the boat. As I said before in my installation video, which I'll link in the description below, this particular unit does not have any built-in maps. So the cool thing about this unit though is it gives you the ability to draw contour maps as you go through areas that you fish, and if you keep it on, you can adjust the settings. Basically it'll just continue to record. So I'm just going to show you real quick how it works. Here's the unit. This is the normal home screen where you can select your view. So what we're going to do here is I'm just going to go into a creek that I've never been into before, and I know that I'm going to have the full screen Quickdraw map. Sometimes I can do the Quickdraw map and a traditional sonar right beside it, but I'm just going to go this full screen so everyone can see this. Click the check button. Now, if you can see ahead, so there's a creek right ahead of us, but you can see on my map that I do not have anything recorded here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go press this button right here, right, and that'll bring you up to the Contour Quickdraw map menu. So we're going to go to Quickdraw map or Quickdraw contours, check mark. Then it's going to have the first thing is going to say start recording. So press this check mark, and now we are recording. So I'm going to get the motor going, and I'm just going to go through this area, and you're going to just see as this records. So you can see it kind of eating away the map as we go through. This is exactly what it's designed to do, so it's just going to draw a contour. Depending on the water depth, that's how wide of a path you're going to get, because the sonar obviously works in a confined area. So if you're in 20-40 feet of water, you're going to get a much larger area of the map covered. So you can actually zoom out so you can see what you've done. It's not going to change your sweep path or anything, but this is just going to show you where you are in relation to your previous contour map. So I'm kind of riding the left side of this creek on the way in, and I'm just going to do a turn to starboard and come down the creek, and then hopefully I'll get on the I guess what we'll call the left descending bank as we leave this creek. Alright, I hope that tidbit was helpful. If you have any questions about the Garmin Striker or the contour maps in general, leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. And thanks for watching, really appreciate it. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. It'll really help us out. If you want to see more content, hit the subscribe button, and we'll keep making videos. So thanks again. Catch you next time. What?